In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your website the easiest way using a popular website builder. This process is super simple and will allow you to showcase customer reviews effectively right on your site, which can significantly enhance your site's credibility and user engagement. Let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Wix homepage and enter your login details. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you manage all your website activities. From here, look for the option that says Design Site and click on it. This will take you directly to your website editor, the place where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the website editor, turn your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a little plus button up there, which is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Go ahead and click it. A menu called Add Elements will pop up. This is the area where you can insert various features into your site, from simple text and images to more interactive items like what we're about to add. Scroll down through the menu until you find the Strip option. This is where Wix organizes more elaborate sections of the page, like galleries and testimonials. Click on Strip and then select Testimonials from the list provided. You'll be greeted with a variety of design options that display customer reviews. All you have to do is choose the style that best fits the aesthetic of your website. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to pick one here, but you should feel free to explore the different options and select the one that works best for you. Once you've made your choice, the testimonial section will be added to your page. You can easily edit this section to make it your own. Click on the image to replace it with a picture of the reviewer or whatever you see fit. You can also click on the name or title to customize who the feedback is attributed to. Finally, adjust the review text at the bottom to accurately reflect the testimonial you want to showcase. It's that simple, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a dedicated reviews section to your website. Make sure to regularly update this section with fresh reviews to keep it relevant and engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow web design tips that can help elevate your site. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.